Oh, welcome back, my dear friends. This is Sagi, and here you are in Sagi's workshop. And this, what you're looking at here, is of course the stormtrooper. Let me get you caught up on the progress that we have made so far. Okay, so obviously so far we have painted the engine black. The YD100 is black, and I think it goes good with the design. The air scoops are finished, and anything that's not finished is masked off and ready for a coat of paint. We have attached a small chrome stripping just to see what it looks like, and we have also bondoed the very top of the rear seat supports. So this of course brings us to our three issues. Okay, one being the length of the air scoop, another is the flatness of the chain guard, and a third is the area that's lacking between the seat and the tank. Now, as for a solution, the solution for the air scoop is obvious. We're gonna chop it right here, quick and dirty. It is unfortunate because I liked the way that these air scoops looked with that little fin in the back, but I think we can still achieve an attractive design. Now, the reason that we had to shorten the air scoop was because one end of it was jutting out the rubber skirt and causing our rubber skirt to look misshapen. On to the problem of the chain guard, which turned out to be an easy solution, because all I did was take the chain guard and straighten it out on a hard surface using a hammer and reshape it using a vise. So easy peasy. So now all we have to do is bondo and sand everything and mask everything off and paint it to match our design. Oh, and incidentally, by moving the chain guards forward to fill in the void between the tank and its original position, we've managed to bridge the gap, and so now we don't have the issue of that void, that missing spot between the tank and the chain guard, the seat saddle. And I believe I found a solution for our this front void that we have in front of this tank, and those are these air vents that are supposed to be just for looks on cars. But my idea is to use the reciprocating saw and sort of just cut at an angle here and mount this right about here. I don't know, maybe a little bit higher. We'll see how it goes. Still though, I am very pleased with the way that these chain guards came out. So I think what we have to do now is just apply a coat of Bondo and sand it with maybe a rough grit, and then apply another coat and then sand it again with a finer grit until we get it really nice and smooth. And then we can add maybe some chrome stripping here to cover up the screws where it mounts. Well, my dear friends, that's it for today. Now catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.